Renowned worldwide for its natural wonders, Arizona's landscape is dominated by the majestic Grand Canyon, a testament to the raw power of nature over millions of years. It's also home to Sedona, a town celebrated not only for its stunning red rock formations, but also for its mystical reputation, believed by many to radiate a profound spiritual energy. Rich in the heritage of Native American cultures, including the Navajo and Hopi tribes, Arizona is a place where ancient traditions are honored and carried forward. Adding to its allure, the rugged Superstition Mountains near Apache Junction draw adventurers and dreamers alike, captivated by tales of the legendary Lost Dutchman's gold mine. These are only glimpses of Arizona's fascinating identity. Yet, alongside the bustling cities like Phoenix and Tucson, where urban life thrives, there are stark social challenges. Homelessness, crime, human trafficking, and a network of dangerous prison gangs create a difficult reality for many who find themselves on the margins of society. This time, I'll be delving into the hidden, often overlooked shadows of this complex state. Arizona is a southwestern state in the United States, known for its hot, dry desert climate. Spanning an impressive 113,998 square miles, Arizona shares borders with California, Colorado, Nevada, New Mexico, and Utah. The state's highest point is Humphreys Peak, standing at 12,637 feet, while Phoenix's Chase Tower claims the title of Arizona's tallest building. Phoenix, the state capital, is also its largest city, with a population of 1.7 million, followed by Tucson and Mesa. Arizona is also notable for its national parks and produces about 60% of the copper in the United States, securing its place as the nation's largest copper producer. In a remote area at the base of the Grand Canyon lies the village of Supai, the only place in the U.S. where mail is still delivered by mule. The state also boasts Skydive Arizona, the largest skydiving center in the world, and is part of the unique Four Corners region, where it meets 3 other states, creating one of the most famous geographical intersections in the country. Behind Arizona's stunning deserts and natural beauty, a harsh reality looms: a severe homelessness crisis.
I love playing chess. We play chess pretty much every day.
In recent years, the homeless population has surged, with an alarming increase of 87% since 2018. This surge places Arizona among the states with the fastest growing rates of homelessness, surpassing even California and Oregon. The crisis has been further intensified by a sharp rise in severe mental health issues and substance dependency among the homeless, which has nearly doubled since 2013. Although Arizona dedicates up to $1 billion annually to programs such as Housing First, which aims to provide stable housing as a foundation for recovery, the resources are stretched thin. Many individuals remain on the streets, as these programs are unable to fully reach those most vulnerable. Recently, the Arizona Supreme Court approved a camping ban, enabling new actions to address encampments. Proposition 312, passed with 58% of the vote, allows property owners to demand tax refunds if homeless encampments are not promptly cleared from their vicinity. Yet these measures serve only as temporary fixes. Arizona faces an acute shortage of affordable housing, with few units available for low-income renters. Addressing this crisis demands more than law enforcement. It requires a comprehensive approach that tackles root issues like housing availability, mental health services, and addiction treatment. Arizona is also a hotspot for sex trafficking. with significant prostitution activity concentrated in certain areas of Phoenix, particularly along the track, which stretches from Indian School Road to Northern Avenue. This area has become a focal point for human trafficking, where many women fall victim to sexual exploitation. Law enforcement, through specialized units like the Human Exploitation and Trafficking Team, has made efforts to combat this issue. However, trafficking remains prevalent, and many victims find themselves ensnared in a cycle of abuse and psychological control exerted by traffickers. During major events, such as the Super Bowl or the WM Phoenix Open, the issue becomes even more pressing due to fears that the influx of visitors may exacerbate the trafficking problem. Traffickers often exploit their victims by promising protection and a sense of family, only to trap them in a relentless cycle of exploitation and dependency.
When you're walking the track, you're really thinking about how much money can I take home to daddy? How much money can I take home to top these other girls?
Arizona harbors a long, shadowed history of gang and mafia activity, with organized crime rooted deeply in its prison system, notably through gangs like the New Mexican Mafia. Known as La AIM, this group has operated since 1974 out of Florence, Arizona, as an extension of the Mexican Mafia, originally founded in California in 1957. Over the decades, La AIM has built a vast criminal network, aligning with powerful drug cartels and forming surprising alliances with white supremacist groups, such as the Aryan Brotherhood. The Aryan Brotherhood, a neo-Nazi prison gang operating across the United States, has an estimated membership of 15,000 to 20,000 individuals, both inside and outside prison walls. Their criminal reach includes drug trafficking, extortion, and even arms smuggling. Former members, like Manuel Medrano, have revealed insights into the gang's strict internal hierarchy, structured codes of conduct, and intricate rules. These gangs not only control the drug trade within prison walls, but also impact daily life beyond them, fostering a dangerous environment in major cities. The ongoing rivalries between gangs, as well as their collaborations with powerful drug cartels, have kept Arizona's violent crime and property crime rates alarmingly high. Arizona's drug abuse problem has become a growing crisis, particularly impacting the homeless population living on the streets. Certain areas within Phoenix and Tucson have become hubs for drug distribution and the related surge in criminal activity. In recent years, the increase in substance abuse has paralleled the rise in homelessness, as addiction drives many individuals into circumstances that cost them their homes or jobs. Drugs like methamphetamine and opioids are at the center of this crisis, causing devastation among vulnerable populations. The drug trade, largely orchestrated by prison-based gangs such as the New Mexican Mafia and biker groups like the Mongols Motorcycle Club, has fueled addiction within struggling communities. The Mongols MC, with its roots in the western U.S., operates as a closed, highly organized club. Former leaders like Justin Delaretto have shared that the club functions under a specific hierarchy and set of codes. While known for its tight-knit brotherhood, the Mongols MC also serve as key players in the distribution of narcotics, often entangled in violent crime, extortion, and arms trafficking. Beyond the crimes of the present, Arizona holds a wealth of dark legends blending history and mystery, one of the most eerie being the stories surrounding Fort Grant. This remote prison in Arizona has long been a source of chilling tales. One legend claims that beneath the Fort Grant visitor parking lot lies a hidden hatch concealing a children's laboratory from World War II. According to these tales, this lab was the site of secret experiments allegedly conducted on children from Japanese internment camps, as well as those with severe disabilities. Some even say the prison cells still echo with the cries of children who were never seen again. Though difficult to verify, records at the Library of Congress do mention a special facility at Fort Grant in 1944, lending an unsettling hint of truth to the myth. This tale continues to haunt local memory, preserving Fort Grant's role in Arizona's shadowy past, a part of history that may be more than mere legend. Arizona faces significant modern challenges as well, illustrated by concerning traffic accident statistics. In 2021 alone, the state saw over 120,000 traffic accidents, with more than 1,100 fatalities on its highways. Fridays, particularly around noon, were the most dangerous times to be on the road, accounting for over 20,000 incidents that year. Heavy congestion during peak hours and increased nighttime accidents add to the danger, as drivers are more prone to speeding on open roads, often under the influence of alcohol. While alcohol is a factor in less than 5% of accidents, it plays a role in over 20% of fatal crashes, highlighting the grave impact of impaired driving. In addition to road safety issues, Arizona grapples with larger social problems, such as prison corruption and pervasive drug trafficking. Organized crime remains an ever-present threat, with powerful cartels and dangerous gangs proving difficult for law enforcement to control. This has led to a heightened sense of vigilance among communities, where residents confront these threats as part of everyday life. Together, these realities create a striking contrast within Arizona. Beneath its breathtaking landscapes, the state is burdened by deep-rooted social challenges that affect the lives of many. From the high rates of traffic fatalities to the pervasive impact of organized crime, these hidden struggles are as much a part of Arizona as its famed deserts and mountains.